Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is Courtney and this is gonna be like a glow up video. Over the last couple of years, I've noticed I haven't really changed. I still look the same. So I think I've reached like my peak of growing. I'm turning 20 this year. I think that's it for me. But for today's video, I'm doing a little glow up with me video. So right now I am at a lash studio to get my lashes done. I'm paying $75 for a lash lift and tint. I was gonna get eyelash extensions, but I hear they damage your eyelashes and I don't wanna risk that. And then tomorrow I am dyeing my hair for the first time and doing other things in this vlog. You're supposed to go into the appointment wearing no makeup, so this is my no makeup look. This is what my lashes look like right now. They are pretty long even though you can't really tell. So I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video and I'll try to vlog in there if I feel comfortable. Hey guys, it is now an hour later. I didn't end up filming. I was actually falling asleep during it. It's like a 45-minute process. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but here are what my lashes look like. To me, it is a huge difference. It's super natural looking. I don't know why I don't do this more often. I think it's just because of the money. Oh my gosh. Today is the big day. I am getting my hair dyed for the first time in my life. I've gone 19 years without dyeing my hair. And low-key, I'm gonna miss my hair color because, I mean, this is what makes me me. And now I'm changing it because I don't like the way it looks. Here's what my natural hair color looks like. I actually have natural highlights. I literally look brunette sometimes. And actually some people say I have strawberry blonde hair because I do have like natural like strawberry highlights. And obviously like the ends of my hair are lighter. Growing up, I had super platinum blonde hair. It's just something with blondes. Their hair just gets darker over time. Today, I'm actually getting highlights. You're probably thinking that's literally not a big deal. But for me it is because to get highlights, you still have to bleach your hair. So I really am gonna miss my hair. A lot of people tell me like don't dye it. I know like people wish they had my hair color. It is really unique. Like my hair isn't one color. It's like 5 different colors. I just hate how it's dark up here. This is the last time I'm gonna have this hair color.
It all becomes one color unless you highlight and low light.
Okay, so I'm basically getting this done. I'll have the picture on the screen. I just want highlights. Like I said, I want to make it lighter, more blonde. Why do I have so much hair?
Yes, this is virgin hair.
It looks so different.
See the blonde all in there? Okay, so we got to go back under just for a couple.
Please, right after departure, Crystal 36,000.
Can you tell?
No. And turn towards me. Look at this.
It's always fun doing first highlights because the hair is virgin.
I know.
And it always comes out perfect.
No longer virgin.
There's nothing like working on virgin hair.
Yeah.
Like undyed or anything? Mm-hmm. Is that what you're working with now?
Got highlights for the first time.
First time?
Yeah.
Look at me, I'm talking in the video.
Can't see what it looks like, but
Not yet. Not yet.
I can definitely tell the difference in the
It
feel.
feels different.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. That looks so good! It looks like I'm wearing a wig! Here's what my hair looks like now. It's so light. I look like my friend Abigail. Let me know what you guys think down below.
Make sure you like my video.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Click that little bell.
Okay, so now that I've gotten my eyelash done and now my hair, it looks so good. The next thing I'm gonna do is whiten my teeth. A lot of you are probably familiar with White with Style, which shout out to them because they are sponsoring this video. And I just realized I still have my AirPods in. So I don't know about you guys, but for me, the first thing that I notice about someone is their smile and how good their teeth look. But something that I've always been, I guess, insecure about is the color of my teeth. As you can see, my teeth aren't yellow, but I feel like they're not as white as they could be. When it comes to whitening your teeth, you can either go get them professionally whitened at like your dentist office, or you can do them at home. I've done both. I paid like $160 and I swear it lasted for only a couple days. But White with Style makes it super easy to whiten your teeth at home. On here it says you can get up to 7 shades whiter in one treatment, and it includes 10 different treatments. That's amazing. Not to mention this is gluten-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, so that's even better. White with Style sends you everything you need. So they send you your LED light that goes in your mouth, as well as the whitening gel
And also trays, out of everything you have to do, this is probably gonna be the hardest part, but it's super easy still. With the trays, you actually have to put it in boiling water that you boiled for 6 minutes, then you let it cool a little bit, and then you drop one of your trays in there, let it sit there for like 12 seconds. Your trays are gonna be a little bit soft, so that's when you put it in your mouth and kind of form it to your teeth. I have all mine ready and I'm gonna now whiten my teeth. They also include this whitening shade guide, so we're gonna see what color my teeth are. I'm kind of scared to see this. I'm definitely towards the front. I would say I'm either in between 3 or 4. So I mean, that's not bad. But honestly, I think it's a good idea to whiten your teeth once in a while because you wanna get that fresh new smile look. Or like from that Very Odd Parents episode, My Shiny Teeth in Me. Every time I think of teeth, I think of that song. I have all the gel in and then now I have to leave this in here for 30 minutes. Okay, let's do this. All right, it has been 30 minutes now and this is my smile. This whitening treatment is super easy. I was just editing one of my videos on my bed while it was in my mouth. I can definitely tell a difference. I don't know if you guys can, but obviously the more you do this, the more results you're gonna see. If any of you guys are looking to get a wider smile, you guys can get the Sparkle Professional Whitening Kit for only $29.99, which the retail price is over $200. So you guys can use my code Courtney Marmo for a discount on the Sparkle Teeth Whitening Kit. They also have a different whitening kit if you want like more advanced. It's gonna be linked down below with a code that will also give you a discount on it. And that is the end to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me glow up because I've never done anything like this. Honestly, I still can't believe I dyed my hair. I look in the mirror and I'm just like, wow, I can't believe I did that. I love you guys so much and thank you for the support. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thank you White with Style for sponsoring today's video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!